the dog made an error, you must let them know how to be right. They need to know which piece was wrong, because as I mentioned earlier, the dog is doing multiple things at the same time. So if you just interrupt the behavior and don't tell them what piece, then they're going to get very stressed out and confused, right? So I have a physical and verbal cue for focal point, for position, and for engagement that my dog understands. So you have to experiment. Some dogs you need to do that with tiny little steps. Some dogs with bigger steps. You have to see what works for the dog. So now I'm going to do it with Zaina. Nice, clean turn. She stays with me. She reads that cue, so she's turning with my leg, and then boom, she's pointing straight. So I'm going ready, set, and I'm moving that left foot around. Not a whole lot, just a tiny little bit, and then yes, and reward, right? And I might even reward her a little bit forward than where I would usually reward, just to get them to drive around. All right? So I'm like, ready, steady. And as soon as I move that foot and she moves with it, yes, feed.